Hi metal guys, today is May 19, very nice weather. Usually good weather is with good mood. Our workshop is very clean. The floor looks like a lens. You can find your face from floor. Buyers are glad after they receive so clean machines, I think. We will send those machines to our customers in future days. Some shear machines, some bending machines, some leather machines, some punching machines. Usually we will sell them out in 1 week. If you are one new customer, we will split good discount price for you. Body, we are eager to receive your inquiry. Have a nice day.